Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
It's a shame that you still can't rank in Google within minutes, because for me, it's the easiest money I've ever made. And no, I'm not an SEO expert. I'm not even sure what SEO stands for exactly. What I know is this. I use one app powered by Google's new AI. Yes, I use Google against itself. Smart, huh? And I rank anything I want within minutes, resulting in daily payments like this. Yeah, it's that easy, but it gets better. I don't write anything. I don't build backlinks, and I don't create social signals, whatever that even means. I copy and paste a few things generated for me by this AI app, and in a few minutes, I refresh Google, and bam, I'm on the first page. And every month, I get dozens of payments that look like that. Heck, even clients chase me down to rank their videos, and I charge them $997 a pop for 30 seconds worth of work. Sounds good, huh? Want to know how I did it? Let me tell you a little secret. While I don't know much about SEO and how to rank in Google, I do know one very important thing. Google uses a very advanced algorithm to rank pages and websites, and this algorithm is kept a secret. Even people working at Google don't know how it works. So for years, SEO experts had to guess which thing will help you rank, and it's a guessing game. But we did things a bit differently. We used the most advanced AI model ever created, Bard, which is created by Google itself, by the way, to unlock that algorithm and know exactly what goes into ranking a video or website on the first page. This is a gold mine. Now we can almost guarantee to rank anything without building a backlink, without writing endless content, and without waiting months. It's so easy, anyone can do it. You don't need any past experience, technical knowledge, or certain skills. As long as you can follow a 30 seconds, fail-proof process, you're golden. And it doesn't matter what you're trying to do online, RapidRank works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, product owners, e-com store owners, coaches, book writers, even hustlers who just want to make a few thousand extra per month. Hey, my name is Victory, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you RapidRank AI, world's first app that unlocked Google's secret algorithm and allowed us to rank anything in Google within minutes. Here, let me show you how easy it is to use it. RapidRank. Step 1. Click on any of the links on this page to secure your account before the price rise. Step 2. Enter your keyword that you want to rank for. Step 3. Let AI do its magic and give you the exact formula to rank your website, blog, e-com, or video on the first page of Google. Step 4. Profit. For every video we rank, we make hundreds of dollars every month. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much does it cost? It's a good question, and to be honest, considering what RapidRank can do for you, we can charge anything for it. I gave this app to my 14-year-old nephew, and he ranked his first video within 16 minutes and made his first affiliate sale online. It gives you unprecedented power over your competition. So it would be fair to charge $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 for it. But the thing is, I know that's a very high price tag for most of the people getting started. And the reason I'm even releasing this app to the market is to help the people who are getting started. So for a limited time only, I'm giving you the chance to join RapidRank for a ridiculously low price. Less than the price of a Domino's pizza. But you have to act fast, because once I hit my server limit, I'm taking this off the web. And trust me, this will happen very fast. What are you waiting for? Click on the link below and let's get you.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.
Started.